Kameshwari Krishnamurthy, English teacher. Welcome to class on error spotting part 3 in a simple method. Today we are going to see indefinite articles a and. Rule 1. We use a before consonant sounds and before vowel sounds. Rule 2. Use a and only with singular countable nouns. Example, a boy, a book, an orange, an elephant, etc. Raju is a honest boy in the class. This one is wrong. Raju is an honest boy in the class. Here we have vowel sound, so we should write an. I met an European. This one is wrong. I met a European. Here, European, EU sounds like this U. So, we should write A. Errors in plural form. I have two sister-in-laws. This one is wrong. I have two sisters-in-law. Errors in English. I have a cousin brother. This one is wrong. I have a cousin. Ramesh went to abroad. This one is wrong. Ramesh went abroad. So, we should use to before verb. Sita goes to the market yesterday. This one is wrong. Sita went to the market yesterday. Here in this sentence we have yesterday past tense. So, goes will become went. We watched the sheep grazing in the field. This one is wrong. We watched the sheep grazing in the field. Here the plural form of sheep is sheep. I hope the video was useful. Thank you.